me? All right, goody, goody. Okay, so next week is already lecture under laboratory. So we will see each other this Saturday for laboratory exam. Next Saturday will be for lecture. Okay, so this is for my lab section. If you're not under me, then you don't have to worry about seeing me Saturday. Okay? Um that would be Vea. Vea, are you here?
Hi, Doc.
Hi. There you go. So will I see people today? No. Okay. Anyways, Vea, you're not under me, right?
Sa lab, Doc?
Correct.
No na, Doc. Kasi you left
Correct.
class.
Wow, ouch. I left you. So, just one crazy question. Where will you be Saturday?
Doc, we have classes on Saturday, Doc.
Online, right? So,
Mhm.
can I also schedule my lecture exam on Saturday? What time is your free time? So I can
Doc, we
schedule
have
it
classes from 7 to 7, Doc.
7 to 7 Saturday. Oh,
Yeah.
oh no. Okay. Not even 1 hour free within Saturday. Like maybe, you know,
Doc, can I get back to you, Doc?
yes,
Tomorrow.
please.
I'll just
I
confirm
would
our
love to
schedule.
hear from you. Yes, just
Mm.
1 hour is all I'm asking for the
Okay
exam.
po.
But no need to see me this Saturday because we don't have laboratory, right? Okay. As for my laboratory, I can talk to you. So let's start. Where did we end here? Okay. Let me know if you can see my screen now. You're seeing my screen, right? Okay. And we ended. Where did we end? Here. Correct? Did we end here? Anyone else?
Yes.
We
Yes,
ended
Doc.
here. All right. There you go. So, this is the other side of RGP, which is all about lens parameter. So, in RGP, not like soft contact lens, because soft contact lens conforms to the shape of the anterior topography of the eye, which is your cornea. So, you don't have to worry about multi-curve or creating extra curve, such as secondary curve, whether it be radius or width, because soft contact lens conforms. Hard contact lens, on the other hand, you need to come up with a more precise shape so that it will conform to the shape of the anterior topography. Meaning to say, with soft contact lens, okay, so with soft contact lens, we do not worry much about, okay, we do not worry much about the shape because the soft will just hug the cornea regardless of the shape, whatever shape. With RGP, if this is the shape of the cornea, you have to create that particular shape of RGP that will create a good fit, wherein you are looking at aligned centrally, aligned mid peripherally, all the way to the clearance. Because remember, there is clearance, which we call axial edge lift, right? So we need to create that particular design or shape. So we have to compute. So here we go. Let's start. We have the AOZD, which is your anterior optic zone. We have the anterior central, we have the anterior peripheral that consists, which is, as you can see, B to A, that is your base curve. While A prime, B prime, okay, is the total lens diameter. So that's how big it is, okay? And this is how, do let me know, Vea, you're the representative for this class. And the other section is C.
Yes.
So section C, please make some noise if you understand this because it's essential. Our exam will be based on this, okay, including laboratory. So this is the lens design philosophy. So as I've said, unlike soft contact lens, because it's soft, an RGP, we need to come up with a more detailed parameter. That's why we will compute. We have the overall optical zone diameter, or what we call the OZD. Okay, how do we compute for OZD? OZD is equal to OAD, as you can see here, minus 1.4. How does it work? Let's try Vea. Okay, so where is the OZD? This is OZD, okay? Which is, according to the first scenario, it is OAD minus 1.4 millimeters. So if my OAD happens to be, for example, Vea, what's the OAD of your trial lens? Do you know? Does
No, Doc.
you don't know? Do you have an
Wait,
trial
Doc.
RGP?
Yes po. Wait, Doc.
Yeah,
I'll
it's
get.
in there. It's 9.5. Okay, it's either 9 or 9.5. Okay, so let's take 9.5. 9.5 minus 1.4 is 8. Is it 8.1? Correct?
Yes.
Wow, I like that, Dara. Yes, correct. So this is now OZD is equal to 8.1 millimeter. Is that clear?
Yes, Doc.
Okay. So OZD is also equal to 80% of OAD. OZD is also equal to PS plus 1 to 2 millimeters. Okay? OZD is also equal to your base curve. So are you following? Are you following, guys? Vea, are you
Yes,
following?
Doc. Yes po.
So there's going to be a lot of computations this sem. So OZD alone, you have how many formula? 1. OZD is base curve. 2. OZD is 80%. 3. OZD is PS plus 1 to 2. 4. Based on OZD formula alone. Right? So are we clear so far?
Yes, Doc.
Okay, so that is your OZD. We already know how to get the LD or OAD, right? How do you get the OAD again? Can someone answer that for points for today? For CP. Chat, you can place it on the chat box so I can see whom I'm giving the extra points for today. Anyone? How do you get the OAD? Very good, Paul. Tito Paul, very good. It's HVID minus 2 to 2.5. So, Tito Paul gets 5 points, guys. Tito Paul. Who's recording for your section, Tito Paul? Is it Vea?
Me, Doc. Yes po.
Okay, 5 points for Tito Paul. Tito Paul, very good. Yes. Okay. And then we have here the overall diameter and optical zone diameter of an RGP are typically obtained by considering the following variables. Of course, the palpebral aperture. Meaning to say, you cannot create a very large LD if your aperture is small. Right, Vea? That's why
Hmm.
it's like this. If my aperture, for example, my aperture, for example, let's say is about uh, 8 millimeters, very small, and your LD is 15 millimeters. So you can see LD is too big for an 8 millimeter aperture, correct? That's point of consideration. So might as well, if this is the opening, it would be nice if you get probably a 9 LD. That's why your LD is a 9.5. Correct? So is that
Yes,
clear
Doc.
so far? Next is the maximum pupil size for the OZD. You need to understand that the OZD is always maximum pupil size. That's why it's PS plus 1 to 2. Correct? Correct? OZD is PS plus 1 to 2. Did I say that?
Yes, Doc.
Okay. Corneal curvature, we already know how to compute for this. And this is your base curve. Okay. Who can answer quickly? Do we put fit factor? Do we put fit factor in getting the base curve? Do we add fit factor?
No.
No. Who said no?
De Guzman, Lysander.
De Guzman gets 5. Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go. All right. Let's go. Because he couldn't type fast enough. He said it. All right. Good. There you go. No. The answer is no. And same with these people who said no. Give them points. All right. The answer is no. Okay. Right. For the latecomers. Okay. Another way is base curve is equal to your OZD. You need to say whatever is the base curve is also the OZD in a monocurve. Okay? So this is your palpebral aperture. Normal between 9 to 10. Okay? In most lid to cornea. So as you can see here, remember who can assess the lid against cornea? So what is your recording here based on the upper lid? What is the upper lid? What's your recording here? Who can answer? Who can answer for another point? Based on the photo here. I taught you this last time. Who can answer? -2, very good. Why -2, Tito Paul? Care to explain?
Yung upper lid po, it covers the cornea na po.
Correct. About 2 millimeters. Okay, it's about 1 to 2 millimeters. Correct. Another 5 points for Tito Paul. Another 5 points, Tito Paul. Very good. Paul. 5. Total of 10 already. Very good. Good job, good job, good job. Okay. So corneal curvature, steeper than average corneal curvature, about, as you can see, greater than 45, often is what we call steep, right? Necessitates a smaller than average overall. Okay, so meaning to say, if it's steeper, you always give smaller than average. Meaning to say, a smaller LD. Is that clear? Tito Paul, is that clear?
Yes po.
All right. An average overall diameter, or OZD, of 9.4 and 8.0. Who can tell me what is 9.4 and what is 8.0? Again, for recitation, who would like to answer? Those values represents what? We have two values there. For understanding, let me see if you understand. What is 9.4 and what is 8.0? Anyone? No answers? Uh-huh. Base curve, Angela? Thank you for answering. OZD, OAD, OZD as written. There you go. We have Christopher, 5 points. There you go. 2 points, Angela. Mark, 2 points. But the answer is Christopher, correct. Christopher, you have the right answer. Which is OAD and which is OZD there? Christopher.
Yung 9.4 po yung overall diameter and yung OCZD po yung 8 millimeters.
Very good. Remember, the OZD is always smaller in value to compare with OAD because OZD is 80% of OAD, or OZD is OAD minus 1.4. Correct? So it's usually smaller, especially if you have bicurve, tricurve, and multicurve. Very good. So 2 points each for Angela, Mark, and Marjorie. Okay. Even though your answer is not totally correct, but you still get points. Okay, there you go. I'm seeing Sheena. Yes. Let's go. All right. Next. You can see there base curve of based on the flattest K. You can also get base curve based on average, correct? 2 ways to get base curve. OZD, as you can see here, can be taken from OAD minus 1.4, or OZD is equal to your base curve. So if I am to give the quiz, what are the 5 ways to compute for base curve? Type in your answer. The 5 ways. Anyone? Okay, go, Anissa.
Doc, yung kukunin po yung, sorry, kukunin po yung average po nung K readings, then, kukompute po. Yun.
Say what? Okay, first and foremost, I ask for how do you compute for base curve, right? Is that what I ask for? Secondly, I ask for what are the 5 formulas in getting OZD? What are the formulas in getting
Doc, may
OZD?
clarification lang po. Yung
Go.
base curve ko is equals to OZD.
Correct.
So it means po yung formula for OZD is also for base curve. So yung base curve po is equals to yung PS plus 1.2 OZD. Ay, sorry. Base curve is also equals to OAD minus 1.4. Tapos base curve is equals to HVID minus 2.0 or 2.5 minus 1.4. Hindi ko na alam yung isa, sir.
Okay. Who's this again? Sorry. Tito Paul?
Yes po.
Tito Paul, I'll give you 5 points for effort again. But the answer is wrong because you are using a wrong reference. Can someone help Tito Paul? You are correct, but you're wrong when it comes to reference. You ask me, is OZD equals to base curve? The answer is yes. But the reference is not base curve. This is for OZD. Tito Paul, the answer is OZD is your reference, is equal to base curve, but it's not always the base curve. Only in a monocurve will it be equal to base curve. So, base curve does not mean 80% of, well, because you're understanding, you said, so if base curve is equal to OZD, because OZD is equal to base curve, then you can interchange. Is that your point of reference?
Yes po, Doc.
Ah, okay. So it's just like this. Under OZD, we have 5 ways of computing. Okay? Meaning to say, OZD can be taken by computing your OAD minus 1.4, OZD minus 1.6, OZD is equal to base curve, OZD is equal to 80% of OAD, OZD is PS plus 1 to 2. So it's not the BC that is equal to 1 PS plus 2, PS plus 1.2. It's the OZD. Because once you write it, you might get the wrong answer. I just need to clarify this right away. Tito Paul, I need to clarify that because your point of reference may be misguided. Though we established is BC equal or OZD? Yes, yes, yes. But it's not necessarily the other way around. Tito Paul, are we clear?
Yes po, Doc.
Okay. That's why base curve computation can only be done using 1.3375 minus 1 times 1,000 divided by flattest or on-K or average, correct? That is the only way to compute for your base curve. Again, Tito Paul, there's only one formula for base curve. What is the only formula for base curve? Carl Zachary already answered that. Base curve is 1.3375 minus 1 divided by the flattest K. That is correct. Same with Marjorie. And the shortcut of Jermaine. Tito Paul, I need you to understand that because you might misquote me and then tell the board examiner, well, base curve is equal to PS plus, and then you'll get in trouble. I don't want you to get in trouble. Tito Paul,
Noted po.
yes, we will get in trouble. The worst part is, you might say, I was taught this way. Nako, patay tayo dyan. Oh, Tito Paul, ha? Okay. Base curve is only taken from this. It's either you use the flattest K or average. Correct? That's the only formula in getting base curve. Nothing more, nothing less. On the other hand, your OZD can be taken in 5 ways. Yeah, are we clear now? All right, and that will be part of our exam. So make sure you understand that, because if you don't understand that, of course, you're not gonna get the right answer. Okay?
Doc, tanong.
Oh yes, yes.
Di ba
Anissa
po,
Metropia.
nung last time po na sabi nyo, may isa pang way para makuha yung base curve, yung ima-minus 3 mo po yung flattest K.
That is only for soft contact lens, Anissa Metropia.
Okay
For
po, thank you po,
RGP,
Doc.
why? Why can I do that for soft contact lens? Because soft contact lens, Anissa Metropia, has a fit factor. That's the difference.
Opo. Thank you po, Doc.
Oo.
Naalala
Correct.
ko na po, Doc.
Ayun. Kaya, naku, wag mo akong ini-misquote sa board exam. Naku po, patay tayo niyan, Anissa Metropia. Only
Hindi po,
for
Doc.
soft,
Hindi po, Doc.
only for soft contact lens. Because soft contact lens needs that fit factor, which RGP does not have. Correct?
Yes po, Doc.
Yon. So if you don't want to use the formula of 337.5 divided by flattest K minus plus 0.7, you may use minus 3 because that is the same. If you compute for that, you'll have the same value as with fit factor of plus 0.7. All right? But we're no longer doing soft contact lens. We are now doing RGP. So guys, be careful. It may be confusing, but you have to make sure you're clear in understanding this. Okay? So Anissa, we're clear? Tito Paul, are we clear?
Yes po, Doc.
Thank
Yes po,
you.
Doc.
Ayan ha, Tito Paul ha. Base curve ha. Huwag mong damihan yung computation ng base curve ha. Tito Paul. Si 337.5 lang. Ayan, dyan naman no. Using 337.5 divided by average K or on K. Siya lang. Huwag mo dagdagan. Ikaw naman eh. Dagdagan mo eh. Tito Paul eh. Oh. That's why OZD is equal to base curve. Huwag mong balik na rin. Okay ba yon? How about the others? Thumbs up if it's clear. Okay. Now, base curve radius. As we all know, the base curve radius is the one you computed such as this, which is so easy because you already know that. Now, one thing we have learned, the smaller the value, the flatter, the steeper. Smaller the value,
The steeper, Doc.
the steeper. Very good. Anissa, 5 points. Anissa. The bigger the value of your radius, the flatter it is. Okay. Which is the reverse when looking at K reading. The higher the value, the steeper it is. The lower the value, the flatter it is in K reading. Correct? Yan. So,
Yes po, Doc.
wag na wag mako-confuse sa dalawa ha. Kahit guluhin ka ng board examiner, sagutin mo siya. Ano po ang tanong nyo? Base curve po ba? Or K-reading? Kasi sa K-reading, mas mataas ang value, steeper. Pero sa base curve, mas mataas ang value, flatter. Baliktad po. Yan. Para pag sasagot mo siya noon, flat 1 ka kagad, top 1. Diba, Anissa Metropia?
Yes po, Doc.
Yes. All right. Next, take a look at this. Simple rule of thumb is to flatten the base curve by 0.25 for every increase in overall diameter of 0.5. Ulitin natin. A simple rule of thumb is to flatten the base curve by 0.25 for every increase in overall diameter of 0.5. And vice versa, if you have a smaller diameter. Okay? So, sige nga. Answer this. HVID. 10 millimeters. Go. Answer using this formula. This is HVID and my LD is 9.5. Go. Who can answer? Use the chat box. Do you understand the question, guys? Anisometropia, is it clear? Is my question clear? A simple rule of thumb is to flatten the base curve by 0.25 for every increase in overall diameter of 0.5 and vice versa if it's smaller. So this is our given. HVID 10, LD is 9.5. Solve using the rule of thumb. Sige nga. Who has the answer? Meron na bang answer? Wala pa rin. 10 years na. Wala pa rin. Wala pang sumasagot.
Doc,
Ayun,
magiging 10.5 millimeter, Doc.
10.5. Magiging 10.5 daw. Okay, how about the others? Sige nga, computein natin pag 10.5. Wala nang ibang sagot, ha? 10.5. Anissa, you have the answer so far. Let's find out. HVID minus 2 is 8. Correct? 8 to 9.5 is larger by 1.5. So it is 1.5 times 0.25 times 3. Correct? Anisometropia.
Doc, wait lang po.
Naintindihan mo ba yung sagot mo?
1.5 po yan, Dok. So, mag-increase
Ay, hindi,
magiging
sabi mo.
11.
Okay.
Dok, magiging 11?
Okay. So, as you can see, guys, based on our given, di ba, HVID is given. LD is also given. So, what is the question here? Because I can derive based on HVID my LD. Correct? Supposedly, ang HVID ko daw ay dapat 8. So, in effect, my LD that I'm giving is a 9.5 because this is the one I'm giving, which is bigger than 8. By how much? By 1.
By 1.5, Dok.
Correct. And according to the rule of thumb, every 0.5 flatten the base curve by 0.25. So, yung sabihin, meron kang 75 flattening na kailangan dito. 75. Correct? Times 3. Tama ba? Tama ba, Anissa Metropia? Anissa Metropia?
Dok, wait lang po. Loading po eh. Yung
Nag-loading.
HVID ng patient po is 10. Tapos ang available po, tama po? Available
Correct.
diameter is 9.5.
Correct.
Okay. Kaya pala. Nabaliktad, Dok. Akala ko po kasi yung
Ano?
available yung Sorry, Dok.
Ayan, sorry ka ngayon, ha? Okay, pero because of the effort, I'll give you points for that. Ayan. O, Anissa,
Thank you po,
sino
Dok.
pa nagre-record na naman sa'yo? Kahit mali ang answer mo, sige. Pero understanding,
10 points, Dok.
ha? Paano ba yun? Sige na nga. Additional 5 points. Anissa.
Thank you po, Dok.
Grabe, mali-mali na nga sagot. 5 points pa rin. Ayos ah. Okay. O yan, malito din din pangalan mo. A, isa. O, wala. Walang bearing. Guys, naintindihan ba ninyo ito? Vea, Tito Paul. Tito Paul, naintindihan ba to?
Yes po, Doc.
Okay. So meaning to say, you need to, anong gagawin mo daw sa base curve? Tito Paul.
Ipa-flat mo po siya ng 0.75.
Very good, very good. So for example, kung ang flattest ko ay 44 minus 75.75, so meron kang 43.25. Correct? Tama ba, Tito Paul? Tito Paul, tama ba? Parang hindi sumasagot si Tito Paul, ah. Anissa Metropia, tama
Yes
ba?
po, Dok.
Oh, Bea, saan ko nakuha si 43.25? Anybody? How did I get that value? 43.25. Where did I get that 43.25? Where? Anissa,
Dok, sa K-readings pa, Dok?
ano ba ang given na K-reading natin?
Dok, nakalimutan ko, Dok.
Ano ba naman yun? Kakasulat ko lang. Tito Paul, ano yung given?
44, Doc.
Very good. Ayan, sino nagsabing 44? Daryl.
Door.
Oo, points ka agad si Daryl. Sasabihin mo lang yung sinulat ko. Out of 44, di ba? You have to flatten it by 0.75. So, 44 minus 0.75 leads to 43.25, correct? Then you can do now your 337.5 divided by 43.25. That is now your base curve. Clear? Daryl, is that clear?
Yes, Doc. Yes po.
Yan ha, nag-yes ka ha. Pag hindi na tama ang sagot nyo ha. How about Tito Paul, clear?
Na-disconnect ako, Doc. Nawalan ng net.
Okay, pero nag-gets mo na, na-follow ka?
Kakapasok ko lang, Doc.
Kakapasok mo lang, oh, Tito Paul. Okay, saan ka nawala? Anong premise?
Yung huling sinagot ko, Doc.
Which is? Hindi ko na naalala ang sagot mo sa akin, base curve pa eh. Nasa
Yung
base curve
pagbawas
ka pa.
po ng pagbawas po ng base curve.
Ito, magbabawas ng base curve. Sabi mo, for every increase, magbabawas daw. Pag sinabi mong magbabawas, edi lalong lumiit ang base curve. Flatten the base curve. The smaller the value of base curve, the steeper it is. So meaning to say, you are steepening it. Tito Paul, kung nakukulitan ka at naguguluhan ka sa question ko, paano na ang board examiner? Kung intentionally kang guluhin at nagulo ka na talaga, paano na? Tito Paul, yan, yung simple
Yes po,
rule
Doc.
is to flatten the
Okay na.
base curve. So answerin mo siya the same way. Don't use as much as possible. That's why you would know. I would rarely use Tagalog because in Tagalog, loss in translation, naging iba na. Nagiging iba. Ibig sabihin, so pag binawasan, hindi lalong liliit yun. Lalong mag-steepen yun. Confusing. But stick to what was said. Meaning to say, yan, by rule of thumb, if the LD that you give the patient is changed based on the supposed LD. Example, mag-example ulit tayo ng isa. HVID, let's say 9.5. LD mo, let's say a 9. K reading mo is 45 and 43. So what are you gonna do? First things first. We know HVID is where you get the LD. 9.5 minus 2 is guys, 9.5 na.
7.5 po.
Ha?
7.5.
7.5. Okay. So 7.5 is the LD that should be given to the patient. But this is what you're giving, a 9.5. So how many steps of increase is 9.5?
Doc, 4.25.
Oh, dito, di ba? 4.25. Because
Hindi pala, Doc.
for every 0.5, 0.25 ang ifa-flatten mo. Oh, si Anissa, nagulo na rin. Remember, ang premise natin, for every 0.5 increase, flatten the base curve by 0.25. Correct? Anissa, are you still
Yes
following?
po, yes po.
Naman. Oh. Ibig sabihin, ilang 0.5 ang tinravel ni 7.5 papuntang 9.5? Ilang
Ano, Doc?
Ha?
4, 8, 9.
Hoy, 7.5 nga eh.
Ah, ilang 0.5, Doc?
Oh,
1, 2, 3, 4.
Doc,
Lima,
apat?
Doc.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ba?
Apat lang pala, Doc.
Apat lang, Doc.
Ang kukulit. Oh, 4 lang yon. So, meron kang 4 na 0.5. And every 0.5 is 0.25. So, 4 na 0.25 din yon. So, meron kang 1. So, if this is 45 and 43, what are you gonna do? Tito Paul, ano na?
Flatten po ng 1 diet.
Ang alin?
Ang base curve po.
Ano no?
Base curve po.
Oh, paano mo nga gagawin yun?
Gagamitin po yung Kera readings to compute yung base
Okay.
curve, then minus
Ayun. So, saan ako magbabawas ng 1?
sa lower na value po of Kera reading. So, yung
Okay.
43 po.
Okay, very good. And then 337 pa ba? Divided by yan. Okay. Very good. Nako-confuse ba? Hindi na. Hindi na, no? Okay na? Okay na ba yon? Okay na.
Doc, isa pang example, Doc, na
Opo,
kalito.
bakit isa pang example? Sige na nga, isa pa nga. Isa pang Jollibee? Sige na nga. Pagbigyan si Anisometropia? Pagbigyan. Okay, magbigay ka ng number. Ano gusto ng number mo?
45, Doc.
45. 45 and?
43.5, Doc.
Okay, 43.25. 25? 50.
0.50, Doc.
Okay. Next. HVID, anong number gusto mo?
12, Doc.
Wow, ang laki naman na HVID to. Megalocornea. Ayos ah. Iba din talaga ha. Sige, Anissa, tuloy natin yan. Megalocornea, tuloy. Compute. Ano ang LDing bibigay mo? Ang binigay mo?
8, Doc.
6? Okay. 6 LD. Go. Compute. Andyan na lahat ng given. Di ba mas masaya ngayon, Anissa? Ang sarap ng computation ngayon, di ba?
O, Doc, nakakalito.
Ay, naku po. Hindi naman. Ikaw naman. Konti lang naman ang palito mo. Ako nga eh. Nililito ko kayo eh. Pero hindi ka nalilito. Yay. Ano na sagot? Ang tagal. Ano na ang sagot? Ano ang sagot? What's the answer? Okay, first things first. 12 minus 2 is 10. Okay. So, dapat 10 LD. Pero, ang LD binigay mo ay 6. Naku po, ang laki ng difference. So, anong formula ang gagamitin mo? Pareho ba to kanina? Anissa, pareho ba to kanina? Yes or no?
No, Doc.
No. Why? This is now the reverse. You are giving a much smaller LD than
Yes,
what
Doc.
you
So,
give.
bali mag-decrease, Doc.
Diyan ka naman mag-iba. Sige ngayon, anong gagawin mo? Ano? Ang gagawin mo?
Doc, for every 0.5 na,
Okay.
ano po, is
Ilang
magbabawas
0.5
ng
meron dito?
0.25.
Yun. So, number 1, ilan to? 4 diopter difference. 4 pala. 4.5, di ba? Ang laki nun ah.
Yes po.
Ang laki nun. Ilang 0.5 ang nasa 4?
8.
8, Doc.
Carol,
8, Doc.
8. Tinatanong mo ba ako? Sinasagot mo ako. Okay.
Sagot po yun, Doc.
When? Go ahead. Oh. So, kung may 8 ka, ilang? 25.
2.00.
2, Doc.
2 diopters, Doc.
2 diopters? Ano na, saan mo?
Yes po, Doc. 2 po.
Saan mo ibabawas yun?
Ibabawas po siya dun sa 43.5, Doc.
Okay. So, ilan na?
Nagiging 41.5, Doc.
1.5. Alright. Ayan na. And then compute. 337.5 divided by 41. That should give you your base curve. Tama ba yon?
Yes po, Doc.
Mali! Sabi na nga ba eh. Nagkakamali na tayo eh. Sabi ko, baliktad eh.
Doc, dapat po
Mali
sa
na plus na to.
steeper.
Oh,
Sa
yun nga.
45
Oh, hindi na minus. Ito naman plus ng plus, minus ng minus eh. Hindi lahat ng buhay minus. Meron din tayong plus, anisometropia.
So bali, Doc, sa iba plus pala siya, hindi wala yung minus. Sorry na, Doc.
Oh, di ba? Pag sinasadya kayong malito, huwag kayong papalatang nalilito. Yan ang board exam. Dapat, ay, Doc, parang niloloko nyo lang ako. Hindi. Dapat yung sagot mo tama. Oh, ito ba? Tama ba to? Tama ba to? Yan dapat,
Mali pala, Doc.
Mali. Oo, mali. Di ba? Oh, clear na yan. Ayan, Anissa, clear na ba tayo?
Clear na po, Doc.
Ayun. Okay, ah. Dami mong pa-example, ah. Okay yan. Sige. As long as it's clear, I'm okay with that. Next, peripheral curve radii and the width. Ano naman to? Ibig sabihin, si peripheral curve ay also computed. Meron kang peripheral curve based on bicurve, tricurve, and multicurve. PC, which is peripheral curve, meron tayong tinatawag na width. Paano yung width? That's PCW. What is PCW? Yan yung si OAD minus OZD divided by 2. Ha? Paano yon? Ganto lang yan. Anissa, andyan na naman tayo. Pag ikaw na-confuse ka na naman, ewan ko pa. PCW. Saan nakuha yan? Kung ito daw ang contact lens mo, ito bicurve. Paano mo nasabing bicurve? Kasi ito si OZD, ito si LD. Correct? Anissa, are you following?
Yes po, Doc.
Okay. So how do you compute for PCW? Because this is PCW and this is OZD. According to the formula, it's OAD minus OZD divided by 2 for bicurve. Correct? Kasi ito yan.
Yes po, Doc.
1, 2. That's why divided by 2. So, ibig sabihin, the total size of the lens minus the OZD refers to this. Divided by 2 because you have both sides. This and this. Naintindihan ba yan? Confusing ba yon? Lagyan natin ng number. Sige. What if yung given natin kanina, LD is 9.5. Anong kaya mong kuhain dyan? Anissa, go! Kaya ko na bang mag-solve ng OZD from here? Anissa Metropia, sagutin mo ako.
Yes, Doc. Di ko sure, Doc.
Question mark. Ano ba naman yan? Who can answer? Tito Paul. Can I get OZD from here? Naku po, si Tito Paul, nawala na naman. Sino ba yung sumasagot kanina? Daryl, what's the answer here?
Wait lang, Doc. I'm solving.
Wow, solving. Before you solve, answer me first. What can I derive here? Can I derive PCW? Nagsusolve ka na kaya? Agad, hindi mo pa nga alam kung pwede.
Doc, hindi pa
Doc
ata,
lang,
Doc.
Doc. Wait lang.
Ha?
Hindi ko
Yung
mag-gets,
OZD,
Doc.
Doc, bawasan ng 1.4. Ay,
Yun
yung
naman pala eh. Di may
lens
sagot.
diameter, bawasan ng 1.4.
O di meron ka ng OZD. From OZD, can I get PCW? Tito Paul, can I get PCW?
Yes. Ay,
Oh,
yes po, kasi may OZD na tsaka yung
oh,
lens diameter. Yun.
ano? Pwede, hindi.
Pwede po.
Pwede po. Tito Paul gets 5 points again. Pakiscorean si Tito
Doc,
Paul.
may tanong. Saan
The
galing po
answer
yung
is
1.4?
yes. Oh, Tito Paul, sagutin mo siya. Saan ang galing 1.4? Talaga to si Anissa Metropia, oo.
Yun yung formula ng OZD. Yung OZD is equals to overall OAD minus 1.4. Send ko sa sa message.
Anissa Metropia, alam mo bang merong ganung usapan?
Doc, medyo lutang pa ako kanina, Doc. Pasensya na po.
Oh, formula yan in getting OZD. How many formulas do we have? Madami nga, di ba? Oh, but LD alone can give you PCW. So meaning to say, sa isang given ko, marami na kayong pwedeng isagot. At marami na akong pwedeng itanong. Kaya Anissa Metropia, kung naliligaw ka, good luck sa'yo. Patay tayo dyan. Based on 9.5, I can already calculate OZD. Because OZD is equal to OAD minus 1.4. Yan. Alright? So because 9.5 minus 1.4 is
8.1, Doc.
8.1. So meron na, ito na nga exact given natin kanina eh. So meron na akong 8.1. O ano daw gagawin ko sa 8.1?
Divide by 2 po.
Divide
two
by
po.
2, Doc.
Ayun. O, ano mangyayari?
Nagiging 4.05.
4.05.
4.05.
05, Doc.
So meaning to say, okay. Drawing na naman ako para sa'yo, Anissa Metropia. Tandaan mo tong value na to ha. Tandaan mo yan ha. Okay. Oh. Ito yung drawing. Ito yung drawing. Ano ang value ni OZD? 8.1. Correct? Anong value nito?
Yes, Doc.
Anong value nito?
9.5, Doc.
Correct. Ano daw value nito?
4, Doc.
4.05.
05.
4.05. So meaning to say, you have 4.05 here, 4.05 here, 8.1 over here, 9.5 overall. Ayan, Anissa Metropia. Pag hindi pa tayo clear dyan, hindi ko na alam. Clear na ba to?
Yes po, Doc.
Mag-i-example pa ba? Ayaw na. Okay na.
Hindi ko lang po sure sa iba. Baka gusto pa po nila.
Yee! Ang galing naman, Anissa. Okay na ako. Bahala ko dyan. Basta ako, okay na. Ewan ko sa kanila. Guys, are we all clear? Tanungin mo nga sila, clear na ba kayo guys? Okay na tayo? Kasi part 2 ng exam natin, puro numbers tayo this time. Very good. Marami tayong computations sa LEC. Okay na ba tayo guys? Okay? Oh. Wala ba dyang thumbs up? Thumbs up? Or, ayun. Okay. Ayun, heart. Pwede na rin yan. Okay na ha. Clear tayo ha. Clear. Okay. Very good. Paano daw pag tri-curve? Pag tri-curve naman, OAD minus OZD divided by 4. Same given. Sige. Tara, let's. Anong gagawin natin dito? Same given daw, pero tri-curve. Dagdagan natin ng isa pa. O, ano na value? Sige nga. Sige nga, kung nakuha mo talaga anisometropia, Tito Paul, Daryl, na hindi naman sumagot, sinabi lang sa akin, wait lang po. O, tri-curve na tayo, tri-curve.
Doc,
Ano, Daryl?
8 divide po sa 3? Tara.
Pakisagot si Daryl.
Okay,
Okay,
hindi ko mag-gets pa
Daryl,
yung tri-curve.
divide daw sa 3. 3 daw ba? Divide?
4.
Divide
Huh?
by 4.
4. Ayun naman pala eh. 4.
Kinulang lang na isa, Doc.
Kulang pa rin. Mali pa rin. Sa board exam, mali pa rin ang sagot mo. Ikaw, niloloko mo ko, Daryl, ha? Pwede ba sabihin kulang lang po ng isa? Divided by 4. Go, answer. Anong answer?
2.025.
2.0.25, Doc.
So, 2.0 2.0
25, Doc.
2.03. Correct? Everybody agrees? Nag-agree ba?
Doc.
Ano? Yes. Mia, what's your question?
Ay, napindot lang po.
Napindot lang. Any questions? Clear ba tayo sa tri-curve divided by 4? Okay. What if it's multi-curve? O yan. Unahan na kita, Daryl. Hindi.
Doc, 6 po.
Ayan. 6 na. Sige, anong answer? Same given. Anong answer? Kaya, anisometropia, sa isang given ko, maraming computation kaagad. For bicurve, tricurve, and multicurve. At PCW pa lang ang tinatanong ko. Hindi ko pa tinatanong ang PCR. Hindi ko pa tinatanong ang blending zone. At blending zone 1 and blending zone 2. Mahabang computation to. Ready na ba kayo? Anisometropia.
Doc,
Andyan
hindi ba
pa.
po?
Ha? Naka-follow ka ba sa tri-curve, multi-curve?
Daming numbers, Doc.
Ha?
Carry naman, Doc. Joke lang
Oh,
yan.
carry naman. Ayun, oh. Carry naman. Caring nga eh. Caring yan. Caring it. Tung, caring it. Alright. So, center thickness, as we all know, is always a factor. Because the thicker the lens, the less thicker the lens. What's the problem with thicker lens? Ay guys, ano na, nakatulog na tayong lahat. 7:47. Ano ang premise natin? Naku po, ayan. Titingnan ko kung may sumagot. Sana meron. Wala namang sumagot. Tito Paul, ano ang premise natin sa thicker lens?
Mas mataas po yung grado.
Yon. The higher the power, the thicker the lens. That's why you want the center thickness. Correct? Because it's where the center that coincides with the power, which is in the pupil. Correct? In the pupillary area. Correct?
Yes po.
Oh, kaya pag mataas ang Rx, mas makapal yan. Problema pag makapal. Ano problema pag makapal? Tito Paul, anong problema pag makapal? Anisometropia, ano ang problema?
Yung pag makapal po, mas aware, nadadagdagan yung awareness ng
Let's awareness. Okay.
yes.
1 point, 1 point. Okay. Ano pa? Importante.
Dok, yung sa
Mas-
transmissibility po,
Yon, very good. Sino yun? Si Anissa yun ah. Tama ba?
yung
Ano yun?
transmissibility po, Dok.
Yon, transmissibility, permeability. The dk over
Over T.
Oo. Tama. Very good ah. Anissa.
Yes,
Very
plus
good.
10.
Aba, plus 10 ka naman. Plus 5 lang. Grabe ka talaga. Okay.
Oh, 15 points na ako ah.
O, sige. Sino ba taga-record? Hindi naman ako. Sabi mo sa taga-record mo dyan. Okay. Tito Paul, clear tayo?
Yes po daw.
Oh, how about the others? Clear na yan, ha? Ibig sabihin, pag clear sa inyo, you represent the others. Right, Bea? Ako, nawala na sila. Carl, are you still following? Still good? There you go. Wonderful. All right. Next. It also affects the gravity, correct? Because we all know a minus lens is thicker peripherally, while a plus lens is thicker centrally. Correct? Yan, logical na yan. Okay na yan. Power, sabi nga natin, wherein the greater the power, the thicker the lens. That's why we have to compute for vertex distance when the Rx is 4 and above. Correct? Clear? Oh, I leave you with this. Think about this. Things to ponder. This is your fitting guide. And this fitting guide is to be memorized as part of our exam. Yan. May formula naman yan. Ginawa ko nga yun ng kanta eh. Flat, flat on K, steep. Yan. Meron yan. Flat, flat on K. Yung isa, flat on K, flat, steep, steep. So, all you gotta do is create your own mnemonic. Okay? So this is what you do when there's a change in your LD. If you change LD, if you change OZD, it corresponds to a fitting guide adjustment. Are we clear, Tito Paul?
Yes po daw.
All right. I'll leave you with that. Oh, yan,
Doc,
Oh,
Doc. Ano po
Yes.
yung nasa pinakang lower part?
secret.
Natatabunan po. Ay, yulo.
Yan.
Thank
For
you, Doc.
minus lens only. For plus lenses, select a base curve 50 diopters steeper than this philosophy. So itong fitting guide was created for a minus. But if you use plus lens, just select a base curve steeper than this. So yung adjustment mo, instead of flat, 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 ito, steeper, steeper, steeper. If it's not flat, it is steep. Reverse lang yan, Daryl. Kaya out of this, I can also formulate a different philosophy, which is I will create now a steeper for a steeper plus lens. Bakit? Kasi pag plus lens, mataba yun. Doon sa center, paano yung kakapit? Malalaglag yun. Kaya kailangan kang mag-steepen. Tama ba? Tama?
Yes po, Doc.
Oh, ha? Galing na Anissa, mabilis mag-yes, ha? Okay. I leave you with this. Examination for laboratory for those under me is this Saturday. For lecture is this Saturday. So, Vea, I need you to give me 1 hour for Saturday for lecture. Please, Vea, Vea, Vea. Vea, are you still there? Okay, I'll wait for the specific hour for me to give the exam next Saturday. All right, so guys, Anissa, everything clear so far?
Doc, yung exam,
Ano?
di Saturday na po?
Opo.
Doc, hanggang dito po ba ang coverage? Di po pwedeng bawasan po.
Bawasan ko? Ano babawas ko?
Opo, Doc.
10 points?
Hindi, Doc. Yung coverage naman, Doc. Sobrang
coverage.
dami na po eh.
Ay, sobrang dami na ba? O sige, for
Opo,
the
Doc.
laboratory, review your soft contact lens computation up to RGP computation. Reduce ba natin?
Doc, please po.
Please po. Sige, I'll think about it. But for now, clear ba yung discussion natin today? Kaya nga, ba't ka natatakot, Anissa, kung clear naman ng discussion natin today?
Doc, over-information po, Doc. Baka mag-crowd sa utak namin. Di namin maalala, Doc.
Gano'n? Galing na president to,
Doc, over-information na po, Doc.
Aba, over-information daw? Tanong ko nga, Tito Paul, over-information na ba?
Hindi ko kaya, sir, i-memorize yung fitting guide in 1 day.
Hoy, in 1 day, kaya ko nga in 1 minute eh.
Doc,
Sige
di
na.
po na kaya, Doc. Bawasan niyo na po, Doc. Thank you po. We love you, Doc. We love you, Doc.
Sige, babasan natin. Tara, let's. Tapusin natin hanggang dito. Okay? Hanggang peripheral curve radius with. Hindi? Okay? Oo, yes, no? Tinanggal ko na si fitting guide. Hanggang dito tayo. Dito? Yan. Yan ha. Thank you ha. Nag-okay tayo ha. Okay tayo? Anissa Metropia, okay na ba tayo?
Doc, ano po sa lab po? Anong coverage po sa lab po?
Laboratory, of course. Lahat ng computation na ginawa natin last sem. Hanggang today.
Yun lang din po, Doc? Yun lang po?
Hindi pa, of course. At marami pang iba.
So, bali, dagdag din po yung computation ngayon, Doc?
Nalito ka
Or
ba ngayon?
bawas din, Doc?
Aba, babawasan pa. Yun na nga yung RGP. At parang hindi naman tayo nag-RGP this sem. Ikaw talaga, oh. Oh. Basic RGP computation. Basic. Doon tayo sa naintindihan mo. Anissa,
Hanggang saan po dun, Doc?
hanggang saan ang naintindihan mo?
Doc, pag sa akin kasi nag-base, syempre, ang answer naman po nun sa iba.
Wala na ako naintindihan. Hanggang saan na umabot ka?
Doc, tanungin po muna namin sa mga kaklase din po namin kung hanggang saan po yung carry nila. Tapos, sa GC na lang po kayo magsabi, Doc.
Aba, ayos ah. Kailan pa nangyari
Thank you,
yung
Doc.
negotiable lang? Ngayon lang ako naka-experience na negotiable pala ang exam. Pag ikaw nag-board exam ka, sabi mo, pwede po ba yung alam lang namin? Ha? Ikaw talaga? tayo sa practice,
Dok,
ha?
mahal mo naman kami, Dok.
Ayos, kailan ba nag-negotiate sa board examiner? Hoy, board examiner, yung tanong mo sa akin, yung alam ko lang, ha? Pag hindi ko alam, wag mong tanong. Ayos talaga to si Anissa Metropia, eh. Tito Paul, pwede mo bang sabihin sa board examiner? O,
Hey,
Doc,
Son.
alam ko lang, ha?
Sorry na, Dok. Ngayon lang.
Okay. Yan, o, tinawanan ka tuloy ni Tito Paul. O, sige.
Dok, may tanong po pala, for clarification lang po. Medyo nalito lang po. Regarding sa, yung 5 formula po ng OCD.
OCD. Ano yung 5 formula sa
Yung
OCD?
tama po ba, Dok? Yung base curve? Bali, Dok, yung
Bibigyan
base
kita ng
curve,
tip.
tapos yung...
Teka,
Sige po, Dok.
bibigyan na nga kita ng tip, eh. Ito na. Bibigyan kita ng tip. Ay, Malolos, kitang-kita yung scoring ko sa Malolos. Malolos pala ito, eh. Sorry. Oh. Ay. Sana ba yun? Taran tan 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 tan. Ano ba yun? Sige na nga. Ibigyan na lang kita ng tip. Teka, tanggalin ko muna yung sharing ko. Baka kung ano pang makita mo. Hindi mo naman nakikita yung sinishare ko.
Kita pa rin, Dok, pero ngayon nawala po.
Ayun. Wala na. Yay. Hi, baby. Uh-huh. Oh, you got it? Wow.
Yeah, Dad, we did. We actually have it now, Dad.
Wow.
We
Congratulations.
have 2 cars.
You have 2 cars now?
Yeah, we have 2
Wow.
cars in the game.
Wow. Congratulations.
What's your favorite kind of car?
Red, of course.
Oh,
And yellow. I want the new color for car. I want yellow.
and guess what, Dad? You can change the color of the car. There's Toyota, there's Honda, there's Mitsubishi,
Oh, even Mitsubishi.
and Nissan.
A Nissan? Really?
And there's Glow Edition.
Oh.
Neon Edition.
Okay. Let's do that.
And I want to show you it.
Okay. Yay. Yay. I'm so happy too. Yay. Okay, Anissa, can you see my slide now, my screen?
Wala po, Dok.
Wala. Ano ba naman yun? Dapat meron.
Ayun, okay na, Dok.
Oh, okay. So, OZD is equal to BC, 80% of OAD. PS 1 to 2, OZD is also equal to OAD minus 1.4. Correct? And the fifth one is OZ. Yay, it's a red car. And the next one is OZD based on 1.6 because it's a range. Well, in any rate, I'll just make it 4 for you para lesser ang computation. Anissa, let's go back again. Oh, ano nangyari dito? Ba't nagkagulo? OZD is equal to OAD minus 2 PCW. OZD is equal to base curve. OZD is 80% of OAD. OZD is equal to PS plus 1 to 2. And OZD is equal to OAD minus 1.4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? Vea, yes. Yes, Bea.
Doc, kailan po exam ng core dito ulit?
I'm sorry,
Next
lecture?
week or this week?
Next week.
Yes, Doc.
What time?
Next week, Doc. Okay po.
What time? What time?
Doc, I'll update you tomorrow, Doc. I'll ask Doc
Okay.
for the class next week, Doc.
All right.
Doc, I'll update
Okay.
you tomorrow.
All right. Thank you. Okay.
Doc,
Anissa,
last na, Doc.
ano pa?
Doc,
Napicturan mo
sa...
yun, no? Pinicturan mo yung screen ko, no?
Opo, Doc. Doc, last na
Sabi
po.
na nga pa. Ano?
Sa laboratory exam, Doc, may canvas pa po? Or paper na lang?
Secret. Para exciting.
Doc, ilang
Of
items po?
Lahat ng yan. Meron tayong canvas, meron tayong paper for computation, meron tayong fitting of RGP. Lahat ng yan mangyayari this Saturday. Exciting Saturday.
Doc, so
Oh.
ilang items po ang Lec and Lab sa online na sa Canvas?
Sa Canvas, 100 of course. Never naman akong gagawa ng below 100. Ikaw naman talaga. So, 100. Pero sa laboratory, 50 item lang yung Canvas. Okay na ba yun? Yun.
Yes po, Doc.
Okay, sa lecture, 100. Okay? Okay. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye. Tito Paul, clear ba tayo? Tito Paul, clear? Yan. There we
Yes
go.
po, Doc.
Yan. Yes.
Sa GC po, clarify po namin yung coverage po ng lab po. Tanungin po muna namin yung buong class kung hanggang Sige na,
Grabe
Doc!
talaga. Hindi pa, no? Grabe, naririnig
Doc,
ko
di na
bilang
po namin
section,
kaya.
no?
Sobrang over information na talaga, Doc.
Bakit
Baka
yung kabilang section?
magkahalo-halo kasi, Doc, yung formula.
Okay. O, Tito Paul, di ba kayo, di naman kayo nagko-complain sa teacher mo sa lab?
Hindi naman
Ah,
po, Doc. Pero yung coverage na, Doc, nila, coverage din ng section namin.
Ba, malay ko sa lab mo. Sino lab niyo?
Ay, hindi, I mean, select po.
Sa LEC, of course, pare-pareho kayo sa LEC. Iisa lang teacher mo sa LEC, ikaw naman, Tito Paul, oh. Ilan ba teacher niyo sa LEC? Niloloko mo rin ako, Tito Paul, isa ka pa, ha? Alam nga namang iba-iba ang numbering ng coverage ng kabilang section sa inyo. Ikaw talaga, Tito Paul, oh. Sa lab lang tayo magkakaroon ng difference kasi iba yung lab teacher niyo, di ba? Tama ba yun, Tito Paul?
Yes po, Doc.
So, natatuwa talaga ako sa klaseng to. Okay. Guys, sige.
Doc,
Email
thank you,
me.
Doc. Thank you, Doc.
Thank you, Doc. We love
Uy,
you, Doc.
grabe, may we love you ba? I love you. 3 times.
We love you, Doc.
Thank you,
I
Doc.
love
Thank
you.
you po,
Thank you, Doc.
Bye. Thank you.
Doc,
Okay,
yung,
Doc. Ayun ka na,
yung
Doc.
ano, Doc, yung
you, Doc.
coverage
Doc,
sa
thank
lab,
you, Doc.
bawas, Doc.
Love you to, Doc.
Thank you,
Okay.
Doc. Plus 10 ako. Plus 10 today.
Wow, Lisa. Wow, plus
Thank you,
10.
Doc.
Doc, ba't ako walang plus ngayon,
Doc, love you, Doc.
Oh, love you.
Doc, plus 10 ako today, Doc,
Doc,
di
di
ba?
naman
Plus
yung
Okay.
five po
sagot
sa
ko,
lahat.
Doc.
Pero plus 10 daw siya.
Plus 5 daw
Doc,
sa lahat, Doc.
Biaydor plus 20,
Doc,
Doc.
plus
Will you
Okay,
marry
pwede
me?
daw
plus
yun.
20, plus 10 ako today,
Doc,
Doc.
Biaydor
Plus
plus
10 lang.
20.
Oo. Okay.
Plus 20, Doc, ako, Doc.
Oh, si Daryl plus 20 daw, sabi niya.
See.
Doc, bawas, Doc, yung coverage, Doc, ha. Thank you, Doc. We love you.
Doc, plus
Doc,
10 ako,
bye-bye,
Doc.
Doc.
ah.
Love you, Doc.
Confirm, sumagot ako.